Hello everyone, I am Monica B. Lopez, the first reporter on our topic, stereotype, prejudices, and discrimination. In today's lesson, we are going to tackle about stereotypes, prejudices, and discrimination. So we have here our lesson objectives. First, differentiate stereotype, prejudice, and discrimination. And the last one, understand the manifestations of stereotypes, prejudice, and discrimination in media. The world has 7.7 billion people with different cultures, beliefs, and backgrounds. Understanding diversity helps reduce conflict and promote respect. So imagine, marami ng tao sa society. Marami ng tao dito sa mundo. We have 7.7 billion people na mayroong iba't ibang culture, beliefs, and backgrounds. And itong differences natin, kinakailangan to ng understanding and kinakailangan na ma-reduce natin yung conflict between each other. And some of the issue na meron ang lipunan is about stereotypes, about discrimination, and prejudices. So, we have different issues. So, one of the issue here in the society is the prejudices together with stereotypes and discrimination. So, alam ko na familiar na kayo sa isyong ito. And these issues ay matututunan natin sa lesson natin ngayon. Stereotypes means a generalized belief about a group of people. It can be positive or negative. Examples, for positive, Filipinos are hospitable. And for negative, all Muslim are terrorists. Dito naman po sa stereotypes is generalized belief na siya. Kabuoang paniniwala about a group of people na nasa society. It can be positive or negative thought or negative belief about that group of people. So, yung example po nito is for the positive belief or thought, Filipinos are hospitable. 'Di ba? Sinasabi natin na ang mga Pilipino ay hospitable na hanggang ngayon na ipapakita ng mga Pilipino sa karatig bansa, maging sa karatig bansa or maging sa kapwa natin Pilipino. Tuwing may bisita, na ipapakita natin ang pagiging welcoming ng mga Pilipino. So, for the negative thought naman po is all Muslim are terrorists. So, sinasabi natin na may kaisipan tayo na kapag Muslim is terrorist because of nakikita natin sa balita or napapanood natin on social media, nababasa natin on social media, mapapaisip tayo na all Muslim are terrorists. So, yun po yung kahulugan ng stereotypes. May group of people po siya na may belief po siya on a group of people. Yun po. Prejudice and discrimination. Prejudice is a negative attitude or feeling toward a person or group without valid reason. And discrimination, an unfair action or behavior toward someone because of prejudices. So, we have here prejudice. So, prejudice is a negative attitude or feeling toward a person or group without valid reason. So, itong prejudices is ikaw na, mismo sa sarili mo na sinasabi mo sa ibang tao or attitude na pinapakita mo sa ibang tao na negative impact para sa ibang tao. So, this prejudices is your negative thought, negative attitude, or negative feeling about a person or group of people na nakapaligid sa'yo. So, yun po yun. So, para naman po sa discrimination, it is an unfair action or behavior toward someone because of prejudice. Dahil nga, 'di ba? Sabi ko nga ni kanina, ang prejudice is our negative thought, negative attitude. So, dahil sa negative attitude na 'yon, nagkakaroon tayo ng nade-discriminate natin yung ibang tao, nagkakaroon tayo or nakakagawa tayo ng maaaring makasama sa kapwa natin, and nagkakaroon din tayo ng masamang dulot sa kanila na, 'di ba nga, dahil sa discrimination marami ang about our mental health, marami ang nagkakaroon ng depression dahil sa discrimination throughout social media or maging sa personal or sa nakapaligid sa atin na mga tao, 'di ba? Through discrimination, nagkakaroon tayo ng mababang kumpiyansa sa sarili natin. So, dapat hindi natin 'yun ugaliin or maging confident tayo sa sarili natin kung ano yung kakayahan natin. Hindi yung makikinig tayo sa sinasabi ng iba na mas lalong nakakapag-down sa atin bilang isang tao. Yun po.
Hello everyone, I am Jeline Bianca Salcedo. So I'm the next reporter to this lesson. So we come now to the human rights, freedom, and equality. Human rights, freedom, and equality. All human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. Modern effort to promote equality. Same-sex marriage allowed in some countries. Ramps required in establishment for PWDs in the Philippines. More awareness about fairness, respect, and inclusion. Dito, pinapakita na lahat tayo ay pinanganak na malaya at pantay-pantay pagdating sa dignity at rights. Ibig sabihin, kahit ano pa ang identity o background natin, we all deserve respect and equal treatment. Kasama dito ang mga modern effort to promote equality, gaya ng same-sex marriage na legal sa ilang bansa, ramps for PWDs para mas accessible ang establishment dito sa Pilipinas. At ang huli, mas malawak na awareness tungkol sa fairness, respect, at inclusion. So lahat tayo ay hakbang para mas maging equal at humane ang society. Promoting equality. Appreciate diversity, educate ourselves, meet and respect different kinds of people, correct wrong beliefs and stereotypes, support fairness and laws and practices. So, promoting equality. Dito pinapakita natin kung paano tayo makakatulong sa pagbuo ng pantay-pantay na society. Una, we need to appreciate diversity. Dahil iba-iba tayo, pero lahat tayo valuable. Pangalawa, i-educate natin ang sarili para maiwasan ang misinformation. So, importante rin na nire-respect natin ang iba't ibang klase ng tao. At natuto tayong i-correct ang maling beliefs at stereotypes. At syempre, dapat sinusuportahan natin ang fairness sa laws at practices para maging equal ang treatment sa lahat. Conclusion. So, stereotypes, prejudice, and discrimination are sensitive issue because they are tied to history, culture, and religion. With today's technology and global connection, it is important to build a society that everyone's uniqueness and protects human dignity and rights. So, dito sa conclusion, pinapakita na ang stereotypes, prejudice, at discrimination ay isang seryosong issue dahil nakaugat sila sa history, culture, at religion. Kaya sa panahon ngayon, mas konektado tayo. Importante na gumawa tayo ng society na inclusive, yung may respeto sa uniqueness ng bawat tao. So, nagpo-protect ng human dignity and rights. So, that's all. Thank you.